Hello guys, Kyle here, and today we'll be doing Woodwork challenge. And I'm here with Jack Fieldhouse here, and make sure you check out his channel, Jack Fieldhouse. What was it again? I.
Right, so like the plonk I is on the outro, you made it as an outro and you spelt my name wrong. It's I-A, not A-I.
Yeah, and
Fieldhouse.
anyways, like I said, Woodwork challenge. First person to hit all post crossbar and ever post wins. So let's go.
So if you know what the Woodwork challenge is, so it's where you've got to hit the crossbar, left post, right post. Then we're doing whoever hits them, all of them first wins.
Right, so let's get straight into the video. Right, so Jack's up first now, and tell him where you're gonna go.
Crossbar.
Go on.
Hit the crossbar, done with.
Hopefully Jack misses this. Nah. Yeah.
I thought you called for the ball.
Yeah, it's still going, man, you speller.
Right, so Kyle's going.
Right, so I'm gonna go same as Jack, crossbar. Hopefully I hit it. He's gonna miss.
Oh, he hit as well. Oh, stupid that is.
Right. So I'm going for the crossbar again. I'm just gonna keep going for crossbar till I hit it. So, if you don't know, this is Jack's second shot now. Hopefully he misses it. Right, and he's missed it, so it's my go now. Right guys, so it's my second shot now. I hit my first one.
But where are you going, Kyle?
So I'm going to go left post.
Right.
Hopefully I hit this one.
That's that one. He misses, he's absolutely shit.
Right, so he's already know. I'm going for the crossbar again. Keep going for it until I hit it. Go on. Hopefully he misses, guys.
Third time lucky. What did I say? That's 4 fingers. Third time lucky. Right, so there's a Kyle's third shot. We've both only hit the crossbar. Where are you going, Kyle?
I'm going to go left post again, but before I go left post, when Jack was about to take his shot, off camera, I hit left post in the Jack.
Nah.
Yeah, I did. But anyways,
He didn't.
I'm just going to go left post. Hopefully I hit it.
He hit it from an inch away. Right, come on then, Kyle, left post. He misses. Don't hit it high. I don't see why he does that. He's just right going to hit crossbar here. Ha! Got it on camera. Yeah. Aye.
Alright guys, so it's Jack's fourth shot now. And where are you going?
Bottom left.
Fucking left post.
Well, you know what I mean. Hit it. Just let it.
He's a fucking idiot, I'm telling you now. Yeah, it wasn't in from the middle.
Right, so before when I took me thingy from there, apparently I was cheating and you've got to take it from the middle. Well, I didn't know, but I missed anyway, so it doesn't matter.
So I'm gonna change my no, what's it called again? Post. I'm gonna go right. Hopefully I had it.
I don't even know what a post is. How do you get? Shut up, man.
Right. So I think I've lost my fence about my fifth now. Going for the left post again. Hit it from the middle this time. Fuck off your shit. You got beat off Luke Dax team 7-1. Right, so I'm gonna go right post.
Kyle's going right post. Ah, the two little dickheads have landed the drone on the roof. Hey, come on, Kyle. You missed completely.
Right, so I'm going for the left corner. Hurry up, Jack. That's left.
That is left.
That you said right. No, you didn't. Fine.
Right, so I've just got to hit the right. Kyle's got to hit the left and right. We've both hit the crossbar.
Right, so
Where you
I'm
going?
gonna go right.
It's going on the right. My only option is the right. Oh, he hit the right. I need to get the right, he needs to get the left. It's get competitive.
Right guys, so Jack's only options is the right and my only options are left, so let's see if Jack can hit this. No Dylan, no Dylan, I can see it's wobbling. Right, that did not. So I'm gonna go left post to this post. So it's my only option, so let's see if I can get it.
Let's go. Hope they have. Oh, he missed.
No,
So Kyle's going left because it's his only option. So that one there. Let's go, Kyle. That missed. Kyle's going for left because it's the only option. Yes, he's left. That hit. Right. Wait 1 second. You went first, so I've got one more chance.
You went
Oh
first.
shit! Yeah, I did that.
Right guys, so I won that challenge, and make sure you subscribe to Jack Fieldhouse, link in the description, and maybe there'll be a part 2 with James, and hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to say, make sure you go and check out this guy's video on his channel with the crossbar challenge. I'm not going to give you any more hints, and hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, and peace.
Oh God.